Hey, so I'm currently 11 days out from my Wbff physique competition where I'll be competing as a professional level fitness model. It's my second professional comp. I've done 8 shows in total, and this is my second pro show. So it's high standards. The prep's gone really well. I've mastered my body now, and I know, my training programming has changed. I train the full body instead of doing split body part. I don't train quite as hard, but I'm training more often. And that's the key, right? Train your body parts as often as possible. Ideally 2, 3 full body training sessions a week. Then anything else is a bonus. That's gonna get you better results than split routine training. Now I'm averaging around 2,800 calories a day, doing 15,000 steps. So no cardio, just movement, just walking. You can class that as cardio, but I am a personal trainer and I've got an active lifestyle anyway. So my steps are up at about 10, 11,000 anyway. So I just do an extra 20, 30 minutes of walking, and that's me, in shape. I'm eating 3 big meals a day on average. You don't need to eat 5, 6 times a day to build muscle or to build your metabolism at all. It's all myths. So I just eat 3 big meals a day, and I'll show you my second meal of the day now. And I've also been preparing all my food myself. So instead of actually, having a meal prep company to help me like last time, this time I want to know exactly what's going in, and I like to eat good quality organic food, which is quite hard to get from meal prep companies. So that's been tough, the meal prep, but I'm managing just about. So here is my meal. Some sweet potato in there, 300 grams, heaps of veggies, and a big grass-fed Scotch fillet steak. Add some salt and pepper, squeeze a lemon. Job done.